Most people save money, but the 1% make money work for them. The $10,000 rule sounds simple, but almost nobody follows it. Average people buy liabilities first. The wealthy buy assets first. Every dollar has a job. That's how rich people stay rich. Your first $10,000 changes everything because momentum finally begins. Poor habits destroy wealth quietly. Rich habits build wealth daily. The 1% track their spending carefully, not emotionally. They don't chase luxury first, they chase cash flow. Wealth grows faster when money gets invested, not spent. Most people upgrade their lifestyle. The rich upgrade their income. A bigger paycheck means nothing if spending also grows. The wealthy buy time. Poor people buy distractions. Investing looks boring at first until compound growth appears. The 1% think long-term. Most people think weekend to weekend. Small investments repeated for years become massive wealth later. Rich people avoid bad debt carefully. Interest can destroy progress fast. Financial freedom starts quietly, not dramatically. One smart money habit today can change your next 10 years. The wealthy automate saving first. They remove emotion completely. Most people wait to feel ready. The rich start anyway. Rich people protect their money first. Then they grow it. The first $10,000 feels impossible until discipline becomes automatic. The wealthy invest consistently, not emotionally. Most people waste small amounts daily without realizing the long-term cost. One investment can outperform years of saving. Money grows quietly at first, then suddenly very fast. The rich avoid lifestyle inflation carefully. That's their hidden advantage. Every dollar invested today buys freedom tomorrow. The wealthy focus on ownership, not appearances. Most people spend to impress others. Rich people invest to impress nobody. The $10,000 rule is simple. Protect it, grow it, repeat it. A strong financial future starts with small decisions. The rich understand patience. Most people quit too early. Compound interest rewards consistency, not luck. Wealth is built during ordinary days, not overnight. The wealthy think in decades. Most people think in months. The earlier you invest, the less you actually need later. The rich study money constantly because knowledge increases income. Every financial mistake teaches something if you learn from it quickly. The 1% value assets more than salaries. Most people buy things that lose value. The wealthy buy things that grow. A smart habit repeated daily can build real wealth. The rich don't rely on one income source. Financial stress disappears slowly as investments grow steadily. Money loves consistency, not perfection. The wealthy invest even during uncertainty. Most people wait for the perfect moment, but the rich start early. Your future self will thank you for every dollar invested today. The 1% focus on long-term freedom, not short-term pleasure. Saving money is important, but investing changes lives. The wealthy understand delayed gratification deeply. Most people fear investing at first. The rich fear doing nothing. Every investment starts small before it becomes powerful. The money you ignore today could have multiplied tomorrow. Rich people respect every dollar, even small ones. Building wealth is repetitive. That's why most people fail. Discipline beats motivation in finance. The wealthy plan ahead carefully. They don't guess blindly. Most people trade time for money forever. The rich build systems instead.
Excited investing creates unbelievable advantages later. Small monthly investments become life-changing eventually. The wealthy stay patient during market fear. Rich people think differently about risk. They study before acting. Money management is more important than income. A high salary can disappear quickly without financial discipline. One smart investment today can create years of freedom. The rich focus on building net worth, not looking rich. Most people underestimate compound growth badly. The 1% protect their financial future daily. Investing is less about intelligence and more about consistency. The wealthy control emotions during financial decisions. Financial freedom starts with your first serious investment. The rich study opportunities carefully before everyone else notices them. Most people spend raises immediately. The wealthy invest them. Money compounds faster when left untouched. Rich people understand the power of ownership. Buying assets creates freedom slowly, but permanently. The earlier you learn money skills, the faster life changes. The wealthy make money decisions logically, not emotionally.
Wealth is built in silence, not through showing off. The rich don't save what's left, they invest first. Financial success comes from habits, not luck. Most people want quick money. The wealthy want lasting money. Your first $10,000 is the hardest. The next becomes easier. The wealthy think about cash flow constantly. Every dollar wasted today steals from your future. Investing rewards patience more than speed. Rich people learn financial skills early and use them forever. The 1% understand leverage deeply. Money grows faster when you stop interrupting it. Most people buy liabilities for comfort. The wealthy buy assets for freedom. Financial independence starts with discipline, not income. Wealthy people avoid emotional spending carefully. The rich make money decisions slowly but confidently. Most people focus on earning more. The wealthy focus on keeping more. One powerful habit can change your financial future. Rich people respect long-term investing deeply. Small expenses feel harmless today until years pass. The wealthy understand that time multiplies money. Financial freedom grows step by step, not overnight. The rich stay focused during distractions. The earlier you start investing, the easier wealth becomes. The 1% avoid unnecessary debt carefully. Most people spend emotionally. Rich people spend intentionally. Assets create income. Liabilities create stress. Wealthy people think before every major purchase. Money management is a daily skill, not a one-time decision. Investing small amounts consistently creates massive results later. The wealthy prioritize ownership over consumption. Every smart investment buys future freedom. Rich people let money compound patiently. The wealthy focus on systems, not motivation. Most people stop too early. The rich stay consistent. Your financial future changes the moment you take investing seriously. The 1% study finance constantly, even after becoming rich. Wealth grows slowly, then suddenly very fast. The rich protect assets carefully during bad times. Most people work for survival. The wealthy work for freedom. Financial discipline looks boring, but it creates extraordinary results. The best time to invest was years ago. The second best time is now. Rich people build multiple income streams patiently. The wealthy avoid chasing trends emotionally. Consistency creates wealth faster than excitement. Every dollar invested has future potential. Most people underestimate what 10 years can do. Compound growth becomes powerful when you stop touching your investments. Rich people think carefully before spending impulsively. Financial peace comes from preparation, not income alone. The wealthy focus on ownership and control. Most people chase status. The rich chase freedom. Investing requires patience during boring seasons. One smart financial decision today can change generations later. The 1% understand risk better than average people. Money disappears quickly without a clear plan. The wealthy make their money multiply automatically. Rich people protect their time carefully. Every investment starts tiny before becoming meaningful. The path to wealth is simpler than most people think. The wealthy focus on financial stability first.
Most people react emotionally to money problems. The rich stay calm. Long-term investing beats short-term guessing. The 1% don't rely on luck. They rely on discipline. Financial freedom requires sacrifice at the beginning. Your future wealth depends on today's habits. The wealthy think differently about every dollar. Small daily improvements create massive long-term change. Rich people invest with patience and logic. Money grows best when emotions stay controlled. The wealthy understand that freedom takes time. A simple investment strategy can outperform complicated ones. Most people focus on price. The rich focus on value. Financial success starts with consistent behavior. The wealthy treat money like a tool, not entertainment. Rich people build assets quietly for years. Every financial choice affects your future self. The first step to wealth is controlling your money. The 1% stay patient while others panic. Wealth isn't built quickly, it's built correctly. The $10,000 rule is simple. Save wisely, invest consistently. Stay patient.